Batu Caves are a series of spectacular 400-million-year-old chambers beneath limestone hills just 30 minutes north of Kuala Lumpur. At the mouth of the cave complex, an enormous gold statue of Lord Murugan stands guard. At almost 43 meters in height, it is the world's largest statue of this beloved Hindu deity. Visitors access the caves via an imposing staircase of 272 steps, each one individually numbered. Once inside the caves, beneath the 100-meter cathedral-like ceilings, the atmosphere takes on an intensely spiritual quality, as worshippers pay their respects at the important Hindu shrines and temples. Below the temple cave, the dark cave is home to stunning rock formations and a number of animal species that are unique to the area. In the interest of conservation, entry to this relatively untouched cave complex is restricted. Elsewhere around the caves, bird life, fruit bats, spiders and macaque monkeys are to be seen. The monkeys, however, should be avoided as they can bite and will steal food and other items from unsuspecting tourists. The Batu Caves attracts visitors throughout the year, particularly during the annual Thaipusam festival when the temple complex, the most popular outside India, becomes the focal point for over 1.5 million pilgrims. In recent years, the caves and surrounding hills have become the center for Malaysian rock climbing, and the site offers over 160 routes of various grades.